2025 Toyota Crown cabin air filter replacement. Okay, so it's gonna be located in the glove box. So we're gonna go to the glove box, open it up, and the first step is gonna be remove this tray you have here. All we have to do is pull towards us, and it unlocks, okay? You can pull it down. Now, there's the access door to the cabin filter. You're gonna push up on these tabs here, up and up. When you do that, it unlocks the door. Then you can pretty much take it off. Right? The cabin filter is located in this compartment here now. You gotta take this door off also. And right here on the right side, these tabs right here, you're gonna squeeze these tabs and pull the door towards you. Like this. Okay. Now notice when you take this door off, it comes off a certain way. These feet right here are pointed towards the bottom. Pretty much they're pointed towards this gap right here. You're gonna pull this out. So this holds your cabin air filter. Alright. So this one is super clean. We're not replacing this one today. But you just take the element out of this holder to replace it. It's very simple. Alright. This is a factory filter here. This car basically has no miles on it. You'll notice that on this one it says up because it's a factory filter. When you get an aftermarket filter, it will have airflow direction on it, and those airflow direction arrows will need to be facing down. You'll notice that the air filter will get dirty on the top because it's sucking the air down. Now Toyota just likes to put up on there so you install it the correct way. You'll notice on this it says up, and on this door, when it's installed correctly, this door also says up right here. Okay, just a Toyota thing. So when we get the filter in the holder, we need to make sure we push it all the way in. Okay, not like this, where it's kind of in. We need to push it all the way in, where it has this gap down at the bottom here, so we can get the door back on. All right, so you're gonna do the left side first. Snap it right on. If it doesn't snap, you don't have it in all the way. Top in first, just lock it in here, and again the tray, it just clips into these little grooves that we have on the sides here. Line this up here. This is kind of an awkward video. I'm very sorry, it's raining right now, so I can't do it from the passenger side. But that's pretty much it. I hope the video was helpful. And if it was, appreciate it if you could support the channel by hitting subscribe, like, and if you have any questions, you can hit me up in the comment box. That link for the aftermarket filter will be in the comment box below.